Do you need wedding insurance? Here's what every couple should know. You spend months planning the perfect wedding, investing time, emotion, and money into a day you hope will be flawless. But what if something unexpected disrupts your plans? Wedding insurance may not be the most romantic topic to discuss before your big day, but it could be one of the smartest decisions you make. Wedding insurance, also known as event insurance, protects your investment against unforeseen circumstances. From natural disasters to vendor no-shows, illness, or even venue issues, having a policy in place offers peace of mind that your financial commitment is safeguarded. In essence, it's your safety net for a day filled with details beyond your control. There are two main types of wedding insurance: liability insurance, which covers property damage or injuries at your event, and cancellation/postponement insurance, which reimburses non-refundable expenses if the wedding can't take place as planned. Some policies also offer optional coverage for lost or damaged attire, stolen gifts, weather-related incidents, and vendor problems. Couples often ask whether insurance is really necessary. The answer depends on several factors. Are you hosting your event outdoors, during hurricane season, or in a region prone to extreme weather? Are you using multiple vendors and venues with large non-refundable deposits? Will alcohol be served? Each of these adds potential risk. In today's world, weddings are complex productions. From destination ceremonies to high-tech celebrations, each layer introduces new vulnerabilities. Without coverage, a canceled event could mean losing tens of thousands of dollars. With insurance, you're not just protecting a day, you're protecting a dream. Many venues now require liability insurance, and reputable vendors often recommend couples explore their options early in the planning process. Most policies are surprisingly affordable and can be customized to fit your event's unique needs and budget. Coverage typically starts under $200, depending on the size and scope of the celebration. To choose the right policy, compare providers, read the fine print, and don't hesitate to ask questions. Ensure your policy includes COVID-related clauses, and confirm whether it covers both ceremony and reception. Some insurers also offer bundles with wedding ring protection or honeymoon cancellation. Ultimately, wedding insurance is a practical step that can help you focus on what truly matters, celebrating love with the people who matter most. Isn't your peace of mind worth that extra layer of security?